April diaries. So I kicked off the month by heading to Malvern Flea Market with my friend Adam, and I managed to pick up a vintage top hat, bow tie and some Langirl breeches for the total of just £35. Absolute bargain. It's my favourite place to spend the day. I highly recommend going if you've not been before. Then it was my mum's 70th birthday and I decided I would do some baking, which I haven't baked for years, so really happy with how these cakes turned out. I also did a bit more modelling for Weekend Doll, which is always a pleasure, and then it was on to the extravaganza of the year, my dear friends Johnny and Jamie's wedding. It was a wonderful day. I stayed at the Dulwich Hotel, which is my favourite place if you're staying in Cheltenham. It's really affordable and just a short walk from the town centre. There was lots of dancing. I have honestly never seen so many people up on the dance floor at once. It was such a great night. The rest of the month has been pretty chill actually. I've been looking after my mum's cat and chickens, and it's been really nice to have that time out in the middle of nowhere. Lots of birds singing, and that view out across Gloucester is just stunning. It's been the perfect way to end April.